Hey everyone, I'm Jordan, and this is Box Angle's Weekday Leadership Workshop. Here at the Leadership Workshop, we break down bite-sized lessons to become better people and therefore better leaders in the process. Last time, we talked about vision, how it provides direction, how to build it, and then how to communicate that vision with your team and then build buy-in. Today, I want to talk to you about building teams. So let's jump right into our quote. A great person attracts great people and knows how to hold them together, by Johann Wolfgang van Goethe. No need for a definition today, so let's jump right into part one. Be the team you want to lead. To me, the key to attracting the right type of people is being the right type of person. People tend to be attracted to leaders they want to be like. So do you want a calm, cool, collected team? Then ask yourself, are you in general a calm, cool, collected person? Do you want a high energy, high pace, go get 'em kind of team? Then how do you act on the daily? What are other traits you're looking for in a team? Whatever they are, those are the behaviors you are going to have to model. If you're a super low energy person, and there's nothing wrong with that, but it is going to be tough for you to attract someone who is high energy and wants to be go, go, go. It isn't impossible, but you're going to have to find other connections to someone like that. And also, you're going to have to make sure you create an environment where that high energy, go, go, go kind of person can thrive. Next up, part two, be a good human being. I hope one of the themes you'll see developing in these videos is how we can build better teams and build better programs by being better people. In 90% of the leadership books, courses, or seminars that I've read or seen, the vast majority talk about some form of being a good human in order to be a good leader. Whether it's communicating with someone the way they would like to be communicated to, showing care when someone on your team is going through a tough time, or making sure that corrective action is done with compassion and the prime reason of making that person better, not bringing that person down. So much of being a good leader is just about being a good human being. And if you break it down like that, then it's easy to see why a person would want to continue to work for someone like that. People don't quit jobs, they quit bosses. I know that the leaders, managers, or bosses that I have worked for that have developed the best relationships with and have treated me the best are by far the ones I have worked the hardest for. But this takes a bit of self-reflection. You also have to look at yourself with a critical eye and see if there are any faults or flaws. Working on those will help shore up your ability to develop and keep the team. Therefore, for me, part three is basically the last step. Treat them like rock stars. If you want to build a rock star team, you have to be a rock star at your given perfection, be a rock star human being, and then treat your team like rock stars. This does not mean blowing smoke when they are not performing. That is disingenuous. And if they understand that they are not doing so hot, but you as a leader are saying they're amazing, then they have one of two options. One, you don't understand the job well enough to know that they aren't doing well, aka you don't have technical mastery. Or two, you understand they are doing a good job but are still telling them they're amazing. This is being dishonest. This is a breaker of trust, and this will kill confidence in you. But when they are performing, we need to let them know. This doesn't have to be a public rah-rah session, but their hard work must be acknowledged in whatever way makes them feel comfortable. I know personally, I'm not a big fan of public acknowledgement. I personally much prefer a one-on-one attaboy from whoever I'm working for. But that's just me. You can have someone who craves a more public acknowledgement. There's nothing wrong with that. Either way, you need to make sure the rock stars on your team feel like they are rock stars. You need to go out of your way to make them feel like the superstars that they are. Remember, be a great person and you will attract and retain great people. So I hope today's lesson helped you become a better person and a better leader in the process. If it did, like, share, and subscribe. I would love to answer any questions on this, so make sure to ask them down below. You can find us on the web at boxangle.com or on Instagram, where our handle is @boxangle. Check out Jenna's series, Medical Mondays. Every Monday, she covers a new medical topic related to performing or athletic arts. You can go to boxangle.com/Medical Mondays to find her series. But next time, we're going to talk about personal standards as leaders. As always, thanks for stopping by. See you next time.